Hey guys, it's Landon at Mercedes-Benz of Shreveport. I have this gorgeous, absolutely beautiful V8 bi-turbo GLE 63 here, and I'm gonna show you what's called emotional start. Now, you might have an AMG vehicle yourself, but the cool thing about these, and Mercedes kind of acknowledge this whenever they build their higher production models like the AMG vehicle, they're gonna give you something called emotional start. Now, you might know of some videos online of cold starts for cars. Well, the Mercedes are really made to be very quiet, even though they have all of this extra horsepower. But the cool thing about the Mercedes is they're going to give you the option. If you hold one of the shift paddles and start the car, it's going to rev it a little bit, give it a little bit more gas, and it's going to give you a very aggressive start. And we're going to show you that today. So guys, we're actually in the GLE 63 now, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my foot on the brake, I'm gonna hold down our shift lever, and at the same time I'm gonna start our vehicle, and it's gonna do our emotional start. So you can see our RPMs right there jumped a little bit and gave us that emotional start feel. Once again, guys, my name is Landon at Mercedes-Benz of Shreveport. Make sure you go check out Vehicle Visionary. In the description below is his link to a bunch of car reviews, and you're gonna love that content. So make sure you go check him out, give him a like, give him a follow, subscribe to us, so where you can still get tips just like this one on the emotional start on the GLE 63. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let us know if we can do anything for you. The best or nothing Mercedes-Benz. Yeah. The best or nothing Mercedes-Benz. The best or nothing Mercedes-Benz. I hope you guys enjoy that, because this is the best or nothing Mercedes-Benz. I can't do it.